Your page I can't stop turning. A flame that won't stop burning. When I feel my feet hit the pavement, I know it's not gonna break it. Don't be afraid.
Ipinagdiriwang natin ngayon, hindi lamang ang narating ng Equity Machineries, kundi pati na rin ang mga relasyon na ating nabuo sa pagitan ng mga kasamaan sa trabaho, kliyente at mga kasyoso. Ang bawat koneksyon ay mayroong mahalagang papel sa ating kwento. Look up as the world keeps spinning.
Tonight, we celebrate 50 years of resilience, innovation, and service. 50 years of Equity Machineries, empowering Filipino farmers and shaping the agricultural industry. From its humble beginnings under the visionary leadership of Attorney Bagnos B. Tactay, to becoming a billion-peso enterprise, Equity Machineries has remained true to its core values: trust, honesty, and fairness.
Mabuhay ang Equity!
One of our managers sold the unit at a very high price. Binenta po niya na napakataas. And then he went to my uncle bragging that, "Attorney, I was able to sell this generator for 200% profit." And you know what my uncle did? He said, "Madideta, isublim de kwarta." Ganun po ang uncle ko. He was honest and fair.
Your trust and support have been our greatest motivation. Kung wala po ang inyong tiwala, hindi din po namin makakamit ang tagumpay na ito.
To the man who founded Equity Machineries Incorporated, the pride and joy of the Tactay family, Uncle Attorney Tactay, cheers! Toast to his honor!
How could I ever begin to describe it? Never felt this way before. Every door open, the man on the right. Congratulations,
Kubota and Equity have built a strong partnership based on trust and shared goals. Together, we have helped farmers across the country by providing high-quality Kubota machinery, improving efficiency and productivity. More than just business partners, we are working together to build a better future for Philippine agriculture.
So color the morning in crimson and violet. There's so much weight.
I hope
this 50th anniversary would be an inspiration to all your workers at lalo pa po sila magpursige na magtrabaho, makiisa po sa inyong mga programa at syempre and bring more innovations also here in Kawayan City.
We got the whole world before us. It's the moment when you know it. This is where everything begins. This is as good as it.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat din sa mga nakatangkilig o customer na tumangkilig sa equity, lalong-lalo na sa sektor ng agrikultura na pinangunahan ng ating mga kaibigan, Apo Manlalod. Kung wala sila, walang equity.
Sa mga lahat ng naging katuwang ng Equity Machineries sa pagkamit ng natatangi nitong tagumpay. Muli, maraming salamat po at inaasahan ko po ang isang matagumpay at di malilimutang gabi para sa ating lahat. Mabuhay po kayo lahat.